The other day, I decided to make a Snapchat filter for my school as I was tired of seeing the one we have at our school, which every friend of mine posts every single day showing they are attending the school regularly. Hey, what is up guys, Abhijit here, and today's video is on how I made a Snapchat geofilter for my high school, and I'm gonna run you guys through all the steps so that you can make your own geofilter for your high school. So this is the filter I made from my school. Go to File and Save for Web and set the preset to PNG24 and copy the rest of the settings on the screen. Then locate the folder destination and save it. This is how the filter is gonna look on its snaps. Now head over to snapchat.com/create and click on upload filter, then select your file and boom, it's gonna show up here that how it's gonna look on your device, whether it's Android or iPhone. Then continue. Allow location access. Now enter your school address here and your school should show up. Now you have to create a fence around your school area so that your filter shows up only to those people Snapchatting from your school area. Once you are done, click continue. Now just go ahead and put your email address, your name and description. And once you are done, click on submit. And there you go, you have now submitted your geofilter for your school. Now for the people watching this video from my school, be sure to use this new filter every time you send a snap to your friends when you are at the school. Thank you for watching today's video. Leave a like if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.